Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this gift card holder with the gift wrapped bundle. This is super cute. It opens like this, and then you can see the gift card goes right here, tucked right inside here. So here are all the supplies that I'm going to use to create this. And I'm going to show you the bundle. Here's the bundle. It's a stamp set, and this punch cuts out all of these bows right here. And there's sentiments, and then this little tag also gets punched out as well. And then there's this little piece right here that you can put in the middle of the bow. So that's why it's called a builder punch, because it has more than one thing that it punches out. So I'm gonna go ahead and punch out a bow from some of this paper from the 'Tis the Season designer series paper. I'm going to show you that paper. It's super cute. It's retiring, so you definitely want to check it out before it's gone. It's got some nice designs in it and some plaids too. There's the plaid that I just used. And this other plaid is also in there too. And then I'm going to layer this bow on top of this red bow here. And then I've got this little red piece that I'm going to put on top. So just layer this bow right on top here. I'm going to offset it a little bit, and then I'll use a glue dot to put this piece on top. So that's my bow. Now I'm going to show you the basic pieces. These are the basic pieces of the gift card. I have a template, so I'm going to show you the template first. So this is the main piece of the gift card holder. It's 5.5 by 6 inches. You're going to score it in half at 3 inches along the 6-inch side, and then along the 5.5-inch side you're going to score it 1/2 inch in on both sides. The next piece is very similar, except it's 5.5 by 3. You're going to again score it in half at 1.5, and then on the 5.5-inch side you're going to score at 1/4 inch in. And then the gift card holder part is 4 and 4 3/4, and then along the 4 3/4 side you're going to score at 1 inch to hold the little gift card in. So I'll have all these measurements on my website, elainescreations.net, and I will also place them here in the comments as well. And then I'll go ahead and just like place them here along with this so that you can like take a little screenshot of the project and the little template measurements. So you can take a screenshot right there. Okay. Because I like to take screenshots sometimes. Okay, so now the pieces that I have. So let's start with the base piece right here. I'm gonna decorate it with the 'Tis the Season designer series paper. Just gonna put that right in the middle there. And then I have these 1/2 inch tabs on the side that I'm going to fold, and I'm going to cut away the back tab. And then it's up to you. You can adhere it on the inside or the outside. Each way will either, I think I'm going to do it on the outside again. And I'm going to use the Stampin' Seal Plus. You could also use Terran tape or something strong, a strong adhesive, because this is going to get pulled on a lot. So just fold those in back, and then this is your bottom piece here that's going to get pulled. And then we'll do a little bit of decorating, we'll just adhere this piece right here to a piece of real red that's an inch wide. And we'll just trim this off. And then I'll just go ahead and adhere this to the side here. Okay, so this piece is done. So I'll just set it over here. And then the top piece is very similar. We're just gonna fold it in half and then fold these, whichever way they wanna fold easiest. And then we're going to decorate the front with some Designer Series paper, matching. And cut away the back tab. A little bit more. And then I'm going to use some skinny strip because the tabs are so skinny. I got this on Amazon. I wish Stampin' Up sold it. They used to sell it, but in a wider size. So again, I'm just going to fold this to the back. And there's our top. And we will decorate this also with a little piece right here. And here's a little strip. Just trim that off. And then I'm going to need to measure that. But first, I need to place this inside. So I'm going to put some adhesive on the back of it. And then I'm just going to place it all the way up inside in the middle and adhere it. And then I'm going to go ahead and put this on and then tuck it in a little bit. Kind of have to help it on the back because there's so many tabs that it has to work with. Oh, and I made a mistake and I put my adhesive down too low. So I need to remove some of the adhesive here. Adhesive removers are great too. You can also get those on Amazon. Stampin' Up used to sell those too, but they don't anymore. And you can keep reusing them. You just have to remove the sticky stuff. I have a sticky spot over here too. Okay, now this should be better. Oh no, because I put the adhesive down too low. So don't put the adhesive down so low, only stick it to the top. So that's my problem. So this is just going to have to just go to right there. And so I'm just going to line this up right there. I'm not liking that, so I'm going to remove this. And I'm going to remove the adhesive that I put down on the bottom, and then I'm going to but then I have to remove the adhesive on the other side. So that's not gonna work. So unfortunately, I have made a boo-boo that hopefully you will learn from. Only put adhesive at the very top. Do not put adhesive down here. Otherwise you cannot slide your piece in because it'll be it'll be blocked. So don't do what I did. Nope, nope. Okay, so now let's put a dimensional, little mini dimensional on our bow. Right here. We'll kind of cover that up, my boo-boo up. And then now we'll stamp this piece right here that's gonna go right there. And we'll stamp a very Merry Christmas in shaded spruce right in the middle. And now we'll stamp a couple of stars, several stars around. In real red. And we'll adhere this to the card. And then slide this on. And then that is our gift card holder. So just remember, don't put adhesive all the way to the bottom there. Whoops. Just put it to, just add it on the top because you want to be able to slide this in. Slide this in. There we go. To slide it in like so. All right, so I'm offering a class which includes these gift card holders and these cards. So if you go to my website, elainescreations.net, and you place a $30 order using this December hostess code, you can get this class for free. Just email me and let me know that you'd like this gift wrapped card class and gift card holder, and I will send it to you for free. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you've enjoyed watching, and please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.